Calling your phone, why you not hitting me back? Please just pick up, don't wanna go tit for tat. Arguing on, first it's this, then it's that. Killing my vibe, now I'm writing this rap. This is not another love song, girl, you got me and me sprung on. Loving like you know your pick stick, curl me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no, now you're wanting to be done, so help me tie it like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run, not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song.
But
Ran
it's
up
in
the
there.
check, no safety on what you get. You know I'm Saint Nick, all year
Yeah,
is
it's
getting
always
you gifts.
more
Can't lie,
stuff,
I know
man.
I've been
Never
gone, just
ends.
trying to make a we spin. I know you wanted me
That's what's fun.
home,
That
don't
makes it fun,
understand
though.
why you split. This is not another love song, girl, you got me and me sprung on. Loving like you know your pick stick, curl me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no, now you're wanting to be done, so help me tie it like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run, not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you.
And I go home. You said things could only get better. I needed more than ever. They gone. How can I believe you when everything is secret? Everything
I have
is
to keep going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth.
Everything is secret. Everything is secret. How can I believe it when everything is secret?
Jacket right
See
there.
through. Gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news in your review mirror. It must be nice you wouldn't got a penthouse on your wrist.
You turn me on, groove is your true nature, and it never gets hard enough for ya. You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me up with all your romancing, and it's making me weak like no one else, like there's no one else in the world. I'm under your spell. Baby, this is our time. The dance floor is jumping.
but we got the vet back at home, man. Just want to show y'all these lights. Oh my gosh, and the hood and just the seats and just, man, I just want to tell y'all I really appreciate just everyone, all the support. I know the last video I talked about the Subaru. If you guys made it to the end of this video and didn't click off, I just want to shout out you guys for just the overall love you guys have given me. I know this channel was built, you know, originally I had my Corvette and then I got my Subaru. But I know a lot of you guys are big Subaru fans and love the Subaru and the tuners and the imports and the, you know, just the turbo type of builds, you know, the sedan type of builds, or just kind of that JDM style. And I know this is, you know, American domestic, you know, power oriented, but I really want to show you guys, I already have a bunch of plans scheduled for this channel, and making sure that I have content for both parties. You know, I have the fun sports car, domestic American, and I also have the nice JDM or turbo or whatever setup I have. So down below, guys, let me know what car do you think is going to be coming next to the channel after I sell the Subaru. There will be a gap between when I sell and when I buy the next Subaru. I really want to buy my own house. You know, I really want to have my own place. So I'm focused on getting a house right now. I want to get my my next car, but in the meantime, I am scheduled to start racing this car. I have my first track day in February at Big Willow, y'all. First track day this February at Big Willow Springs. So definitely go ahead and check that video out when it comes out within the next month and a half. But man, I am just so blessed, man. I'm blessed to have all of you. We are that much closer, y'all. That much closer to 14,000 subscribers, man. Like, how crazy is that? How crazy is that, that we are almost at 14,000? There have been some of you that have rocked with me back when I had 100 subscribers, back when I had 200 subscribers, even back when I just had the Subaru. I didn't even have the Corvette. I lost the Corvette. We're on this channel. You know, I'm trying to do fresh content that not many people are doing on YouTube, and just kind of give you guys, you know, that motorsport, that fun, that Need for Speed, that Fast and Furious style cars. And we got racing coming up, y'all. And when the racing gets here going, and we're gonna really have, you know, some track days, some time, some laps, some hard pulls, some POVs of the track days. I know y'all are gonna love it. Anyway, if you guys like this video, hit the like button. If you don't follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always say, y'all, go after your dreams, make them reality, be your own hero, because we are our own heroes, and we can be a hero if we want to be today. Y'all have a great day. Peace.